how simple it is to put together the Novo metric stand. What we have here is the base unit. This is the lower extrusion, so it's pre-made. So I need to screw out the fitting here. Screw this into the base. Back that off a little bit. I'm going to put the lower extrusion on top, lining it up with the detent on the screw. And we'll screw this in until this is tight. The goal here is to really have a tight, bind here with the base and have that solid. If that's not, you may need to experiment and turn it a quarter turn each way just to make sure that's aligned. So that's done. I can put the cover onto that. And then I can take the upper assembly. There's underneath the bearing here, there is just a tie wrap. So I'm going to pull that out. And I can slide the upper assembly. A pin, which basically what this will do is hold it in place. It's not necessarily needed, but if someone wants to pick this up in the future, I will hold that in place. And now we're going to put the panels on. So what you see is there's 3 fittings which are already in there. So we are going to align panel 1 up at the top. We'll screw this in. Sometimes it's easier to start by hand. And we want to align that at the top so all 4 of them are. And there's 3 screws for each panel. Sometimes you need to make sure the fittings are aligned. Screw those in. Snip them down. And we have to repeat that 4 times. Put up the 4 panels. So this is the assembled stand. It's got its 4 sides, right? And what this allows you to then do is customize this however you want. So we have some different methods of doing that. We have these extruded clips, which allow you to set these up however you want. Or we have 3-ring binders, or we have plastic covers to put your papers in. But that's up to you to customize exactly how you want to use it.